Speaking about this story, and I'll be sharing you the PPT. So in this PPT, there will be a story, and what you guys have to do is using the hints that is provided inside the PPT, you have to speak upon this topic. So are you guys ready, Aflo and Ritul?
Yes.
Okay, so what we have to do is right now this story for this PPT, Aplu. Okay, so Aplu have to read this PPT and Ritul have to listen. But by the end of the PPT, I may ask Aplu to give the story, or I may have Ritul to give you the story. So it depends. Okay, so now Aplu, you can start.
Charlie the champion chef. Charlie was the chicken. Charlie the chicken was a talented chef making yummy treats for all. Eh, Charlie the chicken. Charlie loved to cook chocolate cakes, sweet and delicious, cheesy chips, salty and crunchy, cherry pies, juicy and tart. A new challenge. The town was the town was having a cheese tasting contest. First, cheesiest Charlie wanted to win. Tasted, he needed an idea. Charlie needed a cheesy, crunchy dish. First, cheese, the base of his recipe. Chips for the crunch. Chili for extra flavor.
Always remember all the key points, or else you can't be able to build a very good story. Always remember all the key points.
Yes.
Yes.
Charlie had a great idea. Cheesy melted cheese, crunchy crispy chips, secret crunch chocolate chips. Charlie was excited. He used a big bowl. He added cheese. He added chips. He added chili. The chips, the cheetah arrived.
Chip the
Uh,
cheetah. The
Chip
cheetah's
the
name is
cheetah
Chip.
arrived.
Yeah.
Uh, Chip suggested an ingredient. He was unsure about the idea. Chocolate chip on nachos. Charlie was hesitated. Chip Chip tried Charlie. It might be delicious. Charlie added chocolate chips, cheesy melted cheese, crunchy crispy chips, sweet chocolate chips. Charlie was the champion again. The judge loved it. The chocolate chips made it special.
Okay. So what I need right now is I want the entire story. I will be only showing you this page, so you have to give me the entire story out of it. So
Ma'am,
yeah.
ma'am, ma'am, what do you say?
So it's like I am only going to show you this page. So you guys already gone through all the hints. So now you have to tell me the story. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So Ritu,
Yes.
are you ready to say the
Okay.
story?
Yes.
Okay, I hope Riddle can do it. So, Aflu, you can turn off the mic and listen to what Riddle says. And yeah, Riddle, you can
Charlie, the champion. Huh?
no, turn on the
What?
video. Turn on the video.
Ma'am, what if I on the camera? My face will be like what is it? Shadow. You can't see my face. But
Oh, okay,
Yes,
okay, okay.
on it.
Then fine, then fine, then fine. Tell me.
okay. Charlie the champion. The heading. Charlie the chicken was a talented chef in making yummy treats for all.
Okay.
Huh?
So they say
Yeah.
the remaining story. Yeah, I'm not going to shift the pages. I already show you the pages. So now what I need is I want a story. Think of yeah.
Charlie, he want to, Charlie want to win, win. So then a cheetah came. No, sorry.
Yeah.
The Charlie tried to find the ingredients how to make chips like crunchy, chili with any flavors like. Then a cheetah came with the chips. He he asked for a better chips. So then the chicken came and he made samuli or something like
Okay.
samuli right?
Yeah. And
With curry
mm,
and and then the chicken the cheetah asked told try it. The chicken was tasting it. Then it was delicious. Then the Charlie was again the Charlie was the champion of chef.
okay, Charlie became the champion chef again. Okay, very good, very good. It's really good. Really appreciable. It was really good. So now,
And can I say now?
Yeah, Flu, can you try it on?
Charlie the champion chef. Charlie the chicken was a talented chef making yummy treats for all. He was the champion all the time when they had a competition. One day they had another competition and Charlie wanted to win. Charlie started eating uh,
Yeah.
nachos,
Ah, very good. Nachos.
uh, and a little bit of cheese, a little bit of chips for the crunch, and chilies. That was the ingredients. And a cheetah came and decided, no, told him to put some chocolate chips on it.
Yeah, very good. That's the point.
Charlie hesitated and put some chocolate chips on the nachos. And when the judge ate it, they were surprised, and Charlie, the chef, became the champion again. Decided, yeah.
Okay, okay, good, good.
Okay.
Yeah. So both of you were good. So now again, I'm going to show you another video so both of you can turn off the mic and listen to it. Turn off the mic and listen, okay?
Okay.
Mm. Okay. Sorry, not this one. Just a minute.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Ma'am,
before
Grishma,
you told before you told that the Wi-Fi will go and you have to Wi-Fi will go and you will also go.
It's like today more than.
Ma'am, ma'am, I'm leaving the meeting. Someone is calling.
Oh, okay. So just rejoin soon.
Okay.
no, tell him to